Okay, so we have two fractions here that don't have a common denominator. And we're trying to subtract. So anytime you have fractions and you're trying to subtract, you have to have a common denominator. So the first thing I'm going to do is come up with my lowest common denominator. And in this case, it's basically just the two terms multiplied by each other. So it's 5x minus times the quantity of x plus 6. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by what's not there. So this one is over x plus 6. So it is missing the 5x. And I'm going to multiply it by the 3x minus 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all over my common denominator of 5x times the quantity x plus 6. Okay, and then the next thing I have is I've got a minus, right? A minus 4x plus 2. Okay, and what's missing, we have a 5x here, so we're missing the x plus 6. So I'm going to multiply it by the x plus 6. And that's going to be all over my common denominator of 5x times the quantity of x plus 6. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to distribute my x so that I have my signs in the right place. So this is going to become, I'm going to go ahead and work this one out. So 5x times 3x is going to give me 15x squared. 5x times negative 5 is going to give me a negative 25x. Okay, on this one, I'm just going to leave it alone for a minute. I'm going to work it through one step at a time. I'm going to put a plus here, and I'm going to plus here, and I put a negative sign in front of each of these. So this is going to become negative 4x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 6. And again, it's all over our common denominator of 5x times the quantity of x plus 6. So down here, I still have my 15x squared minus my 25x all over 5x times the quantity of x plus 6. But I'm going to be adding to it. I'm going to be working this out. So a negative 4x times x is going to give me a negative 4x squared. Negative 4x times 6 is going to give me a negative 24x. Negative 2 times x is going to give me a negative 2x. Negative 2 times 6 is going to give me a negative 12. Again, it's all over 5x times the quantity of x plus 6. Okay, so I got to combine these things. So I'm going to go off to the side here, and I have my 15x squared minus 25x. Okay, I have a negative 4x squared. I'm going to put that underneath. I'm going to combine my like terms. So I have a negative 24x and a minus 2x. That's going to give me a negative 26x. And then I have my negative 12. Okay, so then we're going to come straight down. We're going to 15x squared, x squared, minus 4x leaves me with 11x squared. Negative 25x and a negative 26x actually leaves me with a negative 51x, and this comes straight down, so negative 12. Okay, so this tells me that my answer is going to be 11x squared minus 51x minus 12 all over my 5x times the quantity x plus 6. That makes for my final answer. So 11x squared minus 51x minus 12 all over my LCD of 5x times the quantity of x plus 6.